morning students. Today we are going to learn some problems in mensuration. So first question, find the volume of and total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 3.5. Here the radius is given 3.5. So 3.5 can be written as 7 by 2. Volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Substituting r 7 by 2 3 times pi is equal to 22 by 7. 7 gets cancelled. We'll get 539 by 6. So it is divisible by 89.83 centimeter cube. So total surface area is equal to 3 pi r square. Substituting the values, we'll get 231 by 2 is equal to 115.5 centimeter square. In the second question, an oil drum is in the shape of a cylinder having the following dimensions. Diameter is 2 meters and height is 7 meters. If the painter charges 3 rupees per meter square to paint the drum, find the charges to be paid to the painter for 10 drums. So first we need to calculate amount for 1 drum, then multiplied with to 10 drums. So given diameter is equal to 2 meters. So diameter can be converted into a radius. D by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. Now substituting the values, we will get the following value. The total surface area of the drum is equal to 50.28 meter square. So painting charge for 1 meter square is equal to 3 rupees. Therefore cost of painting 10 drums is equal to 50.28 into 3 into 10. We will get rupees 1508.40 paisa. The third question, find the area required cloth to cover the heap of grain in a conical shape whose diameter is 8 meters and slant height is 5 meters. So cone D is equal to 8, R is equal to D by 2. So R is equal to 4 meters, L is equal to 5 meters. In right angle triangle OAB, so by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So 5 square is equal to 25, 4 square is equal to 16. So OB square, 25 minus 16 will get 9. OB is equal to root 9 is equal to 3. LSA is equal to pi RL. So we'll get the following value as 62.8 meter square. So next question, metallic spheres of radius 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. So the given R1, R2, R3, 6, 8, 10 centimeters respectively. There are 3 spheres melted to form a single sphere. Let the radius of the resulting sphere be R. The volume of resulting sphere is equals to sum of the volumes of 3 spheres. So 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 whole cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 whole cube, 4 by 3 pi r3 whole cube. So here we'll get the common value as 4 by 3 pi. 4 by 3 pi gets cancelled. We'll get r cube is equal to r1 whole cube plus r2 whole cube plus r3 whole cube. Now substituting the values, we'll get 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube is equal to 216 plus 512 plus 1000. We'll get 1728. So r cube is equal to 12 into 12 into 12. We'll get r cube is equal to 12 cube. R is equal to 12. Thus the radius of the resultant sphere is equal to 12 centimeter. The next one. A heap of rice is in the form of cone. Diameter 12 meters, height 8 meters. Find its volume. How much canvas cloth is required to cover the heap? Diameter is equal to 12 centimeters, radius is equal to 6 centimeters. Height is equal to 8 meters. So volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now substituting the values, we will get 301.71 meter cube. Next question. A storage tank consists of a circular cylinder with a hemisphere struck on either end if the external diameter of the cylinder be 1.4 meters and its length be 8 meters. Find the cost of painting it on the outside at the rate of 20 rupees per meter square. So total surface area of tank is equal to 2 into CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. Now calculating the hemisphere. So CSA of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Now substituting the values, we will get 3.08 meter square. It is multiplied with 2 times. We will get 6.16 meter square. Now calculating the CSA of cylinder. So diameter is 1.4, r radius is equal to 0.7. CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. We will get the value 35.2 meter square. Therefore, total surface area of the storage tank is equal to 35.2 plus 6.16 is equal to 41.36 meter square. Cost of painting its surface area per 20 rupees per meter square is equal to 41.36 into 20. We will get rupees 827.2. Next question. A solid iron rod has a cylindrical shape. Its height is 11 centimeters, base is 7 centimeters. Then find the total volume of 15 rods. First we need to find the volume of one cylinder, then multiplied with 50 rods. So volume of one cylinder is equal to 423.5. Then volume of 50 rods is equal to 21,175 centimeter cube. Next question. A hemispherical bowl of internal radius 15 centimeters contains a liquid. The liquid is to be filled into cylindrical bottles of diameter 5 centimeters and height 6 centimeters. How many bottles are necessary to empty the bowl? So volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Internal radius of hemisphere is equal to 15 centimeters. So volume of liquid contained in the hemisphere is equal to 2250 pi centimeter cube. This liquid is to be filled in cylindrical bottles and height of each bottle 6 centimeters. So radius of the cylindrical bottle is equal to diameter by 2, 5 by 2. So volume of one cylindrical bottle is equal to pi r square h. So now substituting the values, we will get 75 by 2 pi centimeter cube. Now the number of cylindrical bottles required is equal to volume of hemispherical bowl by volume of one cylindrical bottle. Pi gets cancelled. 2 multiplied reciprocal will get the value into numerical. 75 cancels 30 times 2 into 30, 60. Next question. The radius of conical tent 7 meters and its height 10 meters. Calculate the length of canvas used in making a tent if width of canvas is 2 meters. So radius is given 7 meters, height 10 meters. Now slant height is equal to L square is equal to R square plus H square. L is equal to R square plus H square under square root. We will get L is equal to 12.2. Surface area of tent is equal to pi RL. Now substituting values, we will get 268.4 meter square. Area of canvas is used 268.4 meter square. So it is given width of the canvas is 2 meters. Length of canvas is equal to area by width. We will get 134.2 meters. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemispherical from each end of the solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters and the base is 3.5 centimeters, find the total surface area. So total surface area of the solid is equal to CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. So finding CSA of cylinder, R is D by 2, we will get 1.75, height is equal to 10 centimeters. CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. We will get the value 110 centimeters square. So CSA of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi R square. So we will get 19.25 centimeters square. So multiplying with 2, we will get 38.5. Therefore total surface area of given article is equal to 38.5 plus 110 is equal to 148.5 centimeter. And the next question, a container shaped like a right circular cylinder having a diameter 10 centimeters and height 15 centimeters are full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeters, diameter 6 centimeters, having the hemisphere on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. So total number of cones hemispherical on top is equal to volume of ice cream. So N into number of ice creams is equal to volume of cylinder. So we need to find the cone volume and hemisphere volume. So cone volume, radius is equal to 3 centimeters, height is equal to 12. Volume of cylinder, volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi R square H. So now calculating hemisphere volume. R is equal to 3 centimeters, volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi R cube. So we'll get 396.7. 396 by 7. Volume of each cone with ice cream, we'll get 792 by 7 plus 396 by 7. Here the denominators are same, so we can add the numerators. We'll get 1188 by 7 centimeter cube. So now calculating the volume of cylinder. R is equal to 6 centimeter, H is equal to 15 centimeters. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi R square H. So we'll get 11,880 by 7. So N into number of ice cream hemispherical cones is equal to total volume of a cylinder. So 11,880 by 7. 7 gets cancelled. 1188 cancels in 11880 10 times. Therefore N is equal to 10. Next question, a cylinder and cone has bases of equal radii and equal heights. Their volumes in the ratio 3:1. So volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi R square H. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi R square H. So 1 by pi R square H, pi R square gets cancels. 1 is to 1 by 3. So 3 into 1, 3, 3 is to 1. Therefore, their volumes are in the ratio 3 is to 1. Next question, a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeters is melted and recasted into shape of cylinder of radius 6 centimeters. Find the height of the cylinder. So height of the cylinder is equal to h, volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. Pi r square h is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now substituting the values, we will get height is equal to 2.7. A toy is in the form of cone mounted on a hemisphere. The diameter of the base and the height of the cone are 6 and 4 centimeters respectively. Determine the surface area of the toy. So diameter 6 centimeters, radius 3 centimeters, height 4 centimeters, slant height is equal to 5 centimeters. CSA of cone is equal to pi rn. So we will get 330 by 7 centimeters square. Radius of hemisphere is equal to 6 centimeters. CSA of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r. When you are substituting, we will get 396 by 7. So surface area of the toy is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. So denominator same, we can add the numerators. We will get 726 by 7 is equal to 103.71 centimeter square. Next question, how many silver coins 1.75 centimeters diameter, thickness 2 millimeters used to be melted to form a cuboid of dimension 5.5 centimeters, 10 centimeters and 3.5 centimeters. Let the silver coins n, total volume of n coins is equal to volume of cuboid. So n into pi r square h is equal to lbh. So now substituting the values. So 2 millimeters can be changed into 2 by 10 centimeters. So we'll get 400 silver coins are needed. Next, curved surface area of cone is 4070 centimeters square and diameter 73 centimeters. Finding slant height. CSA of cone is equal to pi rn. R is equal to 35. D is equal to 70. Substituting the value. So we'll get slant height is equal to 37 centimeters. A metallic sphere of diameter 28 centimeters is melted and recast into number of smaller cones. Each diameter is 42 by 3 centimeters, height 3 centimeters. And find the number of coins. Let the total number of small coins is equal to n. Then total volume of n cones is equal to volume of sphere. Diameter is equal to 28 centimeters. Now calculating the volume of cone. R is equal to 7 by 3 centimeters. H is equal to 3 centimeters. After substituting, we will get 154 by 9 centimeter cube. So total volume of n cones is equal to n into 154 by 9 centimeter cube. Calculating volume of sphere. D is equal to 14 centimeters. D is equal to 28 centimeters. R is equal to 14 centimeters. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So after calculating, we will get, so once the answer is 672. Next question, two cubes of each volume 64 centimeter cube are joined to end together. Find the surface of the resulting cuboid. Volume of cube is equal to a cube. So a cube is equal to 4 cube. hence A is equal to 4 centimeters. When two cubes are added, the length of cuboid is double, so for 8 centimeters. Breadth is same and height is the same. So TSA of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. After substituting, we will get 160 centimeters square. So that's all for today, children. If you have any doubts, send to my WhatsApp number 9063254901. If you like my videos, so do subscribe to my channel Naveen's Classroom and press the bell icon. So hope you enjoy the day. Have a nice day.